Yes, me too.
This is written down in like that. We could write an amazing book on them.
In a soundproof booth in Auckland's Roundhead Studios, New Zealand's bachelor, author and boxer Art Green attempted to break a 75 decibel world record for the world's largest apple bite.
So today's record attempt is a new Guinness World Records title for the loudest crunch of an apple. The minimum C-weighted decibels needed for this attempt was a very tough 75 decibels. I can now confirm that the official recording has come in at 79.1. So therefore it's a new Guinness World Records title. Congratulations, Art and the Yummy Fruit Company.
Art's a hell of a...
Yeah, also...